How to create a lawn care schedule. A lawn care maintenance schedule can help you make sure you give your landscaping the best care. Ongoing care of the lawn can be a daunting task for a busy individual. Forgetting to fertilize or water when needed can lead to dead or dying grass and flowers. Overwatering may have the same results. Whether using a lawn service or doing it yourself, having a schedule will keep the work on task. Things you'll need: calendar, pencil, paper. Create a list of all lawn tasks necessary for proper care. These include grass cutting, watering and fertilizing. Trimming shrubs, weeding gardens and cleaning of walkways or lawn ornaments may also be part of the schedule. Select a calendar. Use a computer software program or an old-fashioned paper calendar. Begin writing or filling in the calendar with the needed tasks on the next calendar day from the present moment. For example, if the grass needs to be cut tomorrow, begin by adding cut grass to the calendar on tomorrow's date. Evaluate the time frame for each task. For example, grass is typically cut twice weekly during spring months, weekly during summer months and rarely or not at all during late fall and winter. Fill in the calendar with the tasks. Begin with adding the grass cutting needs, then the watering needs and finally the fertilizing needs. For example, if your fertilizer is time-released, then add fertilizing to the calendar once monthly. If your town has watering restrictions, follow the days allowed for the task on the calendar. Add all additional needs to the calendar. For example, if the hedges need to be trimmed twice monthly, schedule the task twice during the month on a day already marked for grass cutting. Evenly distribute the tasks throughout the month. Repeat the created schedule on each month of the calendar, adjusting the cutting, watering and fertilizing needs according to the season.